Sanjay Nirupam has finally exited Congress on an extremely bitter and acerbic note. In fact, when he entered the venue of the press conference where he addressed the entire media in Mumbai, he entered with the slogan, Jai Shri Ram. While speaking exclusively to CNN News 18, he chanted Jai Shri Ram, and he also said that Narendra Modi was the most popular leader within the country and that the Congress was in a complete state of disarray. In fact, he said that there were 5 power centers in Congress, each tussling against each other, thereby creating stresses and strains within the party that reflected in a sense of directionless among the cadres. He minced no words in attacking the Congress, calling it not just non-secular but saying that it was completely against the touch of the country, where even the industrialists now were proud to visit temples and were proud to show their religion. At such a time, he says, this was the death of Nehruvian secularism that the Congress has refused to understand and realize. On one hand, he said that. On the other hand, he said that it wasn't yet time to write his political obituary, claiming that he is still in contention for fighting for the Mumbai North-West constituency, the seat he was vying for when he was within the fold of the Mahavikas Aghadi. What had miffed him really was the fact that Uddhav Thackeray had unilaterally announced a candidate from Mumbai Northwest from the Shiv Sena UBT faction without taking the Congress on board, thereby finishing his dream of running for the Lok Sabha as a Congress candidate for the Mumbai Northwest constituency. Now he says, though, that he continues to be in the race and that he is in talks with several top leaders, including Eknath Shinde, Devendra Fadnavis. When asked about his future course of action, he refused to divulge any plans, but adding that he will still join another political party and that he will not fight this Lok Sabha election as an independent candidate. While speculations are abuzz that he will join the Eknath Shinde group of the Shiv Sena, whether he will be offered the Mumbai Northwest seat or any other seat is something that is still being discussed, is what sources within Mahayuti tell us. But at the same time, he has made it quite clear that he will fight only from the Mumbai Northwest seat and that he will be happier if he is offered that seat. There are rumors, there are speculations that are doing the rounds that he will enter the Eknath Shinde group at the earliest, but talks are still hung with respect to the constituency that he has been seeking. While Eknath Shinde seeks a legislator, seeks a candidate for the Mumbai Northwest constituency, what might lead to some headache is the kind of voices that have been coming up from the BJP. Mohit Kamboj has been tweeting since morning, calling Sanjay Nirupam Congress ka kachra, saying that the Congress has finally done away with its own kachra, its own garbage, and that he should not be taken in the Shinde Sena now. In fact, groups of people, their voices have also been put up on social media. People from within Mumbai Northwest saying that they do not want Sanjay Nirupam as their face or as their candidate for the Lok Sabha elections. So even as a group from within the BJP has been raising voice against Sanjay Nirupam, raising objections to the likely induction of Sanjay Nirupam within the Eknath Shinde group, there aren't really very happy and willing voices from within the Eknath Shinde group as well. Sources within that party indicate that they may have to think really hard before making any offer to Sanjay Nirupam. So while Sanjay Nirupam has now exited the Congress, the walk for Sanjay Nirupam from here on may not be as smooth, even as he has claimed that he will fight from the Mumbai Northwest seat alone, probably on the Shinde Sena ticket, something that is still in the making and the declaration will take some time. After he has made an announcement of quitting Congress party, he has said that he will take some time to decide his next course of action. I have with me the man of the moment, Sanjay Nirupam. Aapne kaha you are leaving Congress, you put out a resignation letter as well. Why is it that you have been so upset with the party? You've been continuously raising how Mumbai seat sharing had gone wrong, how the party shouldn't have given 5 of the 6 seats. What all are the grouses because of which you have taken this step?
See, basically the way Congress party is working in Delhi and from Delhi to Mumbai, it is not working out very well actually. The way seat sharing took place and the way our leaders went there in the seat sharing meetings and the way they have surrendered everything before Shiv Sena and they have come under the pressure of Shiv Sena. I was not very happy with the way it was handled. And that is why I asked that you cannot give 5 out of 6 seats to Shiv Sena. We all 5 MPs were once upon a time from Mumbai. So it is basically the beginning of the end of Shiv Sena, and for this thing, the leadership is responsible, particularly the state leadership, who were assigned by the top leadership to negotiate with Shiv Sena and other parties. So that is why on my particular this seat, I have been working in this seat for last 5 years after losing that election in 2019. After losing that election, I'm working very hard and I was told by my party leadership that you have to contest Lok Sabha, just get ready, and suddenly you are giving up my seat. So I have a right to oppose, I have a right to protest, and whatever I was opposing or protesting, that was in the interest of Congress party. And speaking truth, in the interest of Congress party is wrong, then yes, I have done wrong. You have whatever decision you have taken, whatever action you have taken against me, I welcome it.
This isn't the only objection you have taken. You have said that the Congress is in a state of disarray, organizationally as well as ideologically. You came in, entered and said Jai Shri Ram. How is the mood of the nation and how do you think the Congress party is?
Mood of the nation is very much in the favor of Mr. Modi. Prime Minister Modi is one of the most popular leader at this point of time in India, and no leadership in the whole political spectrum matches his popularity. That's a fact. Congress party is not at all able to dent in the popularity of Mr. Modi. Thirdly, Congress party is, you have rightly said, it is in disarray. It is completely a decimated party. Congress party is in the crisis of organizational structure. Congress party is going through an ideological crisis. Congress party is not able to understand what is happening on the ground, because the leadership who are running the party, they are completely disconnected with the ground reality.
Who are the leaders responsible?
All. I said, there are 5 power centers. All the power centers are basically baseless. They don't have any connect with the people. And that is why they are not able to understand our resentment. I am not the only person. There are lakhs and lakhs of workers and leaders in Congress party who are not at all happy with the functioning of Congress party at this point of time.
Sanjay Nirupam, one last question, and that is, you have said that you will fight from Mumbai Northwest, but you have not yet given out your further course of action as to which party you're going to join. Are you firm on Mumbai Northwest only? What if any other seat is offered to you? Are you open to fighting that?
I don't think any other seat is going to be offered to me, and I would love to contest from Northwest, and I'm sticking to that point. And from which party and how, I think that will be decided in the next course of action.
Have you met the Chief Minister or Devendra Fadnavis?
I'm in touch with a lot of people, and nothing wrong in it.
But Northwest it is going to be. It is going to be Northwest only, no other.
Northwest. I would love to contest from Northwest only.
So that was Sanjay Nirupam speaking exclusively to CNN News 18, Northwest only, and he is in talks with several leaders.